Hi everyone. We here at Remax Titanium, we just want to say Happy Memorial Day. We want to say thank you to all the men and women who have served for our country. We're really appreciative of it, and today is your day. Thank you.
Hi guys, Happy Memorial Day from Remax Titanium. We want to give a big shout out and thanks to all of the men and women who have served our country well.
Hi, this is Travis Ho with Team Remax New Vision. We were just honoring today Memorial Day, which is a national holiday that recognizes all the people that have lost their lives in serving the United States, whether in the armed forces or in law enforcement. We're happy to say that we're here at work recognizing all those people out there, and we're doing our best we can to try to keep the economy going forward. Thanks again.
Hi, this is Kusuma with Remax. I just want to say happy Memorial Weekend, and also thank you for all the veterans that sacrifice for our freedom and our happiness and this great country. Have a good day.